Hi students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. The determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. There are 6 ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 by 3 corresponding to each of the 3 rows. We can expand along R1, R2 and R3, and we can expand the determinant along C1, C2 and C3. That is, we can expand the determinant along R1. R1 means row 1, R2, R3, expanding along C1, C2, C3. So, we can expand a 3 by 3 determinant in 6 ways along R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. In each case, the value of the determinant will be same. If we expand along R1 or R2 or R3 or C1 or C2 or C3, the value of the determinant will be same. Now, we are going to find the value of a determinant by expanding along R1. Consider a matrix A and its corresponding determinant A equal to determinant, a general determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We are going to expand this determinant along R1, along row 1. Now we are going to expand a 3 by 3 determinant along R1. Here is R1. R1 elements are A11, A12, A13. Then how to expand this determinant along R1? Here det A equal to first element of R1 is A11. So just start with A11 and multiply A11 with minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. How this minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1? Here 1 plus 1 comes from the suffix of A11. We are starting with the A11. So just multiply A11 with minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 comes from the suffix 11. And now delete the first row and first column in which A11 lies. Delete first row and first column in which A11 lies. Then remaining 2 by 2 determinant. Just multiply 2 by 2 determinant. That is 2 by 2 determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. That is first term. First term plus. Now second term. The second element of row 1 is A12. So A12 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. This 1 plus 2 comes from the suffix of A12. Suffix of A12. So A12 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Now delete first row and second column. First row and second column in which A12 lies. Delete first row and second column in which A12 lies. Remaining 2 by 2 determinant A21, A23, A31, A33. That is second term. Plus now third term. The third term is A13. Third term of row 1 is A13. So just start with A13 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. This 1 plus 3 comes from suffix of A13. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into A13. Now delete the first row and third column. First row and third column in which A13 lies. Then remaining 2 by 2 determinant. Remaining 2 by 2 determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. That's equal to determinant A equal to, here first, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into A11. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is 1. So 1 into A11 is A11, and it is a 2 by 2 determinant. How to expand a 2 by 2 determinant? Just multiply and subtract. Cross multiplication, then subtract. So A22 into A33, A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23, A32 into A23. Now second term is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 means minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into A12 is minus A12. Minus A12 into, it is a 2 by 2 determinant, expand it. How to expand? A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Now third term is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, it is 4. So minus 1 raised to 4 is again plus 1. Plus 1 into A13 is A13 plus A13 into again 2 by 2 determinant, multiply, cross multiplication and subtraction. So A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. So that's equal to A11 A22 into A33 minus A11 A32 A23 minus A12 A21 A33 plus A12 A31 A23 plus A13 A21 A32 minus A13 A31 A32. So that's the value of this determinant. This is the method of expanding a 3 by 3 determinant along R1, along row 1.